Hello children, today we are going to discuss class 9th second chapter polynomials. We are going to discuss what is variable. You know that already variable x, y, z, those are variables. Constants means all the numbers, particularly the numbers and some values like in the lower level a, b, c also constants will come, or a naught, a1, a2, a3 etc. an also constants. In 10th standard you will learn those. Now we are going to discuss about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Means a coefficient along with variables, in between there is a plus and minus is present, means that is an algebraic expression. See, algebraic expression means there will be, suppose x plus y is an algebraic expression, x plus 2 is an algebraic expression, which is having either plus or minus, in between some operations are there, into or divided by, those are algebraic expression. Suppose 2 by 3x is a one algebraic expression. That means numbers along with variables including operations, 4 operations, then it is algebraic expression. Now we are going to discuss about polynomial definition. An algebraic expression which is raised to power non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. That means power should be whole number, not negative numbers, whole numbers. That means 0 onwards it will be starting. Suppose I am giving 4x cube. Here it is highest x power or exponent or say index. Its power is 2. That is called degree. Here 3 is given. 0 onwards numbers will be given. That is whole number. But negative numbers we should not keep. If negative numbers keeping means that will be multinomial coming, not a polynomial. I think you understood that. Negative numbers, roots or rationals are there in power, that is not a polynomial, that is a multinomial. Power should be always 0 onwards, 0 to infinite numbers you can keep, but not negative numbers or root or rationals or any other numbers you should not keep. Okay, only whole numbers we should keep. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Only whole numbers as powers are there means that is polynomial. Here I am giving example 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here variable is x. Variable is x only. How much variable? Only one variable is present here. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. X is a variable. One only variable present. How many number of terms are there? Means that in between any plus or minus are there, means the separation will be present. So 4x square one term, 3x is another term, 7 is another term. In between minus one is there, another one plus is there. So that's why these are the three terms are there in this. 4x square one term, minus 3x another term, plus 7 another term. So terms 3 are there. Here degree means what? Highest power of a variable is called degree. Highest power means here x power is 1 only. Here x square, yes, x power is square. So here x power not there means x power 0 only. X power 0 means 1 only. You know that already. So here highest power of x is 2. That's why degree is 3. The highest degree, see, degree means the highest power of a polynomial is called degree. Coefficient of x square. In our class 9th, what are the questions they are giving means, see, coefficient of x square. That means in the x square multiple is 4 is present. That is only coefficient, means multiple of x square. Constant term, the number which is not having any x variable, that is 7. So constant term is 7. Coefficient of x is minus 3 because its sign also important. Coefficient of x cube, Here x cube term not there, that's why its coefficient is 0. Any number not given means its coefficient must be written as 0. This is a polynomial example. Polynomial means so many varieties are coming. Generally polynomials are represented with p of x, q of x, g of x, like this. Of course you can write p of t, suppose g of t, another one h of t, like this also you can write. What is the polynomial representation means? This is the representation I am telling. What is representation here means that how the polynomial is showing in a short form, that is representation. P of x means, previously we have given an example as p of x only, that is p of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 7. That means variable is x there, in that variable is x. Here suppose they are giving p of t. P of t is means that p of t they are giving, suppose I am giving t square minus 4 as one polynomial. Here highest power is 2. In terms of t is there means that is a polynomial p of t. In terms of h of y they have given, suppose h of y. You can understand from various example easily. That is I am writing 2 by 3 y square. Here y is the variable. H is a hy means h of y is a polynomial. 2 by 3 is a coefficient. Y is a variable. Its power is 2. So that's why its degree is 2. Like this representation also I said it is in 10th standard again. So just for introduction I gave. Actually in 9th level there is no sums of this kind. But I am introducing earlier. Coefficient of x square and like this all the we have yes in the class. So again next, based on terms, number of terms, monomial. Just I am telling monomial. Monomial means single term. This is look like so many numbers, minus 2 by 3, x cube, y z square is given. But it is entire only one single term, because in between x and y and z there is no x, y, z, there is no symbols in between except minus 2 by 3. That is coefficient. In between x, y, z there is no plus or minus. Only one term. It is considered as only one term. Its coefficient monomial. Actually it is monomial. Means that single term. Its degree, if they are asking, means all the powers 3 plus 1 plus 2. Total power is 6. Its degree is monomial degree is 6. Only for monomial it is happened like that. Degree is 6. Whereas some other binomial means here two terms are there, x square plus 2x. In this occasion highest power is 2 here. X square highest power is 2. Here x power is 1. So highest power 2, that's why its degree is 2. This is binomial. Why? Because two terms are there. Binomial. Bi means 2, nomial means terms. So 2 terms are there. Downside another example I gave, x square plus 2x plus 1. This is trinomial. Of course it is polynomial also. We will discuss in 10th level again this. X square plus 2x plus 1 means 3 terms are there. That's why it is a trinomial. Of course this is a polynomial because highest power is all are positive numbers. 0 onwards it is present. Suppose it is polynomial only. Downside another example I gave, x square plus 1 by x plus 1. It is not a polynomial but multinomial. Why multinomial? Means more than 2 terms are there, means that is multinomial only. Previous condition I said one trinomial, that is a multinomial as well as polynomial. Polynomial means its highest degree must be 0 onwards, 1, 2, 3 like that, but it should not be negative numbers. Here multinomial. Why? Because second term x coefficient x power is minus 1. Suppose you are taking 1 by x into the numerator, that will be x to the power of minus 1 coming. X to the power of minus 1 means a negative number, no? That's why it is not a polynomial. Multinomial means always powers may be a positive or negative number, but polynomial means power of the or degree of a polynomial always positive numbers and 0 onwards. That means whole number should be kept. So polynomial, another example I gave, x square plus 1. All polynomials are, we are concluding one of the important from this content. It's a very important statement. All polynomials are multinomials. All polynomials are multinomials, but all multinomials are not polynomials. But see, once observe this, all polynomials are multinomials, but all multinomials are not polynomials. This is one kind. Next, important formulas I shall give. Based on that, you can continue. This is the algebraic formulae. Total formulas are present. Either formulas or formulae. Both are plural for formula. You can write either formulas or formulae. LAE, formula, formulae also, it's a plural to formula. So here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have learnt in the lower level some extent, but again some of the extra formulas I am writing while we are using in the sums. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Fourth one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next, fifth one, a plus b whole cube. That means is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or in another way also you can write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. After multiplication, a into a square coming, b, 3a square b coming, plus 3a b square coming, b into b square no, plus 3a b square also. It is another expression you can write like that. Sixth one, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or in another way also you can write, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Children, which are important means just I shall give you tick marks afterwards, which are useful in our sums in 9th standard, but in the higher level all these formulas are very important. Already you have learnt in 8th level, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is another formula. 8th one, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Next, 9th one, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is very important formula for our sums. That is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. It's a very important conclusion, very important formula for doing our sums. And last one, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is very important formula. Yes, formulas which are useful in our polynomial solutions. Factor theorem is another important condition. Sums as well as factor theorem I shall explain in the sums, because that is coming as one sum also, and of course it is introduction part, but theory part, if you learned these things you can understand very easily afterwards. Children, it's a very important concept, so write in A4 sheet and practice it so many times, read it thoroughly, so that all the contents, not now in the IIT level oriented sums, especially in the trigonometry concepts based on these chapters only present. Algebraic formulas are useful everywhere in the all mathematics problem solving problems it is coming. So practice it more. Have a nice day children. Thank you.